welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Terabox app if it is not working for you. So first thing first, make sure you check that you have your Wi-Fi connection working perfectly fine. You can open YouTube and other apps to check your Wi-Fi is working perfectly. Next, you can go to Play Store and make sure the Terabox app is up to date. Now, if you have checked both of these things and the app is still not working, we can go to the next step. So hold on to the Terabox and this menu will pop up. Click on App Info. Now, if your phone does not have this menu, what you can do is directly go to the settings and then apps and find Terabox there. Now, once you are in this menu, click on Force Store. Now click on OK. Now go to Storage and Cache and click on Clear Cache. Now this should fix your problem, and if it does not fix your problem, you can clear the storage from here. Okay, but remember, clearing storage means it will log out of all accounts and clear all files that Terabox have. And that's it for today's video. If this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.